Hello, in this video we're gonna perform a quick test of fingerprint sensor speed. I'm gonna show you how fast is the sensor on this device and how quickly we can actually unlock our device. So over here I have AOD, at the bottom of the screen here we have our fingerprint, and let's find out how fast it is. So I'm gonna lock the screen, let's touch the finger, and let's touch with the finger. There we go. So it is pretty quick. After like half a second, it unlocks the device immediately. There we go. I'm gonna actually use the sensor on the lock screen. It is even quicker. It is pretty much immediate. So if you have always on display, then in the always on display, it doesn't always turn on so quickly. Sometimes you need to wait like up to half a second, which is still of course fast. Or at least when the device detects that you are nearby and you're trying to unlock the smartphone. But if you go to the lock screen, it unlocks pretty much immediately. There is little to no delay. It's pretty amazing, not gonna lie. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.